Hey guys, so in today's video I'm going to quickly show you how to check if your Amazon link that you made is working. So let's do this. What you need to do is let's quickly go and make a link. Let's go to amazon.com and let's go to let's just search power. Let's see what we have. Alright, we have 48 laws of power. Never read it, heard it's a good book, but anyhow, let's get a link by using SiteStripe. Let's copy this, and now let's go back to Amazon Associates. What you need to do is go to Tools and go here, Link Checker. After you have done that, please enter your link or URL, check link. Now we wait. There we go, success. The link tags to a valid tag or subtag for your associate ID. There's also a much simpler way. It's just to, use your link, and as you can see, it goes here. Pretty successful, right? Anyhow, guys, I hope this video helped you. If it did, leave a like. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. And if you want more simple videos just like this, subscribe. Anyhow, guys, have a nice day.